What's happening, guys? Matt Sheriff here, and I want to create this video. I've had quite a few messages from different individuals asking, Matt, why is the Bitcoin price drop so much? And I think that's always an interesting question, and there's never a black and white answer, as there's so many different factors to this industry. But very few people ask, why is Bitcoin price going up and up so much, as we've obviously been on a massive bull trend over the last couple months, with Bitcoin reaching new highs and all that kind of good stuff. And that's obviously from new money being injected into the system, different governments changing legislation, so it's making it easier for fiat currency to go into Bitcoin, which is always a good thing for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, that is. So there's always two sides to a coin though, and always things to look at, as it can go up in a massive bull rush, but at some point there can always be a correction, and always be a kind of filtering out of the system of certain money that's come in that people want to just take out when it reaches a certain point. And I think the fact that a lot of different people are using Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as a somewhat investment tool and somewhat kind of moneymaker, puts into the fact that the highs and lows are going to keep on happening. And if you're looking at Bitcoin and you're looking at the trends that have been occurring, then you can see ups and downs and valleys. But the big thing for me is big picture thinking. And Bitcoin is still volatile, don't get me wrong, but throughout the years, and as more money has come into the network, Bitcoin has kind of become more stable and has become more resilient to certain drop-offs and certain big types of news that have come out. But the way Bitcoin is, and the solution that it's providing and cryptocurrency is providing, is a decentralized, open, trusted, borderless type of digital exchange, which has never been seen before. So some people might freak out and, oh my gosh, it's dropped, a couple $100, let's get out. But this, I wouldn't say, be in Bitcoin, be in cryptocurrency for the short game. When the internet was created in the 80s, people laughed at it, people didn't want to adopt it or said it would never work, and it's completely changed our lives. It's completely changed the world. And I really think blockchain technology and decentralized currencies will change everything as well within the finance sector, and how we move money in this $80 trillion a year industry will be very, very interesting to see what happens over the next 5 and 10 years. So when you're thinking and looking at Bitcoin price and why it's going up and down, there's obviously certain factors. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency reached $100 billion market cap, just over, which is the highest it's ever been. And then it dropped like 15 or 20. So thinking about that, I think it's about thinking longevity and really what this industry is doing in the form of disruption, and really changing things and giving a lot of competition to banks, and kind of challenging the current system and the way we do things. I hope that kind of helps thinking about Bitcoin prices, ups, downs, and going forward. I'm Matt Sheriff. Subscribe to the channel, check out the box below, bunch of free resources, and I'll see you on the next one.